Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video I will be telling you how you can set up Google Analytics account. So let's move on to the video. You will just head over to with the Google Analytics account. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I just want to ask you guys, if you like the video, if you like the content I dropped here, please be sure to like and subscribe. I will be releasing new videos soon, and also if you have any comments regarding Google Analytics or anything, please be sure to ask in the comment section down below. I will make sure to answer all of your comments in the comment section down below. Okay guys, thank you and peace out.